Hey guys, it's Dami and I'm back with another one. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your first 10k in a month. It's reselling AirPods. Over here I got 6 and I'm going to show you where to buy them from and which ones to buy and how to get discounts on them. So let's get into the video. I am going to just unbox one. So this will be the Pro 2 because it is thicker, and I have the 3s over here. Okay, open these up and do the quick unboxing of them. And there. So I bought the best version, so this would come like with the threaded USB-C and the rest. These will come with the USB-C that has the what do you call it, the braided USB-C cable. So this is one that will come with it, and that is that. We don't need this packaging no more. Let's go to the 3s. Same deal, comes in this type of box, but nothing to be worried. So these are the 2 high quality AirPods that I did get. I'm gonna put a link down below and most likely show a picture here if I remember. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna quickly unbox these. I'm gonna just quickly turn off my Bluetooth on my phone and use the one on my iPad. I got my iPad. As I said, we're gonna open up the AirPod Pro 2 2nd gen. That is the serial number. We're gonna check again if the serial number, checks out. My bad. So this is the high quality version, like best ANC. So let's test it out. I'm just gonna open this up. There we go. So this time it comes with a better text. Designed up in California. I'm just gonna take this out. We'll just get better lettering basically. Put that right there. We'll get to the AirPods in a minute. So we do get the braided USB-C to Lightning cable, and it comes with the ear tips and the rest. I can show you guys. Oops. So I'm just gonna put that back in and put that here. Okay. Comes with a lanyard and speakers and everything. So let's open this up. Let's move this a little bit. Open this up. Does come with some plastic here, but I hope you guys heard that. You guys heard that again? Awesome. So now it's gonna say your AirPods connect. I'm gonna hold down the back button to pair it, and then it's gonna make a few sounds. It should pair. There we go, connected. There we go. And to show you, noise cancellation off and transparency. So now we're gonna test it out. Oh wow. Okay, the ANC works. That's crazy. And I can hear everything with transparency mode on. Okay, that's fire. Okay. So let's go back. So transparency and noise cancellation works. Okay. Spatial audio only works for fixed but not head track. So fixed works but head track doesn't work. That's good to know. But this is crazy. Like, I can't hear anything. Like, barely hear anything. Barely hear anything. That's pretty fire. And one thing to add, you see the serial number over here? Limited warranty to April 3rd, 2025. So it does come with that as well. And I'm not gonna forget that AirPod and forget. And boom. Okay, and now we're gonna head over to the AirPod 3 or 3rd generation. You can see that's the serial number. So this was a cheap version. You can see the difference in the box. That's slightly pink, and that's, yeah, so that's the difference in the boxes. Okay, and now we're gonna head over to the AirPod 3 or 3rd generation. You can see that's the serial number. So this was a cheap version. You can see the difference in the box. That's slightly pink, and that's, yeah, so that's the difference in the boxes. Okay, so same thing. See the differences in text. Yeah, even in text, it is better here. Look at that. Okay. Okay, bang. So, designed by Apple in California, has a better text. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So this is the cheap one, the expensive one. You can see that has better lettering over there. Way better lettering. Same deal, pamphlets and the rest. Put that up here. Put that there. And here we have USB-C to Lightning cable. Nothing too special, nothing too special. Just gotta put that there and rotate it and put it back in. There we go. Open it up. Connect. Head to the back. Hold down the pairing button. Hold is gonna show white. That's pairing. It's connecting. This was a fast pair. And it's paired. Yep, there we go, paired. Over here, and then same thing, just all the way down. Serial number, limited warranty, expires June 21st, 2025. So that's good to see. Oh, that sounds good. Okay. These sound as good as my real AirPod 3rd generation as well. That's crazy good. So, yes, buy the best version. You won't be disappointed. Always get the best. Always get the best. And boom. Just zoom out for you. USB-C. Same serial number here. Same serial number there. Checks out. Cool. Same thing. Checks out. Thing. What I got was the AirPod Pro 2, second AirPod Pro ANC best quality. You can also go for top quality if you want to, but that's an extra $5. but I just went for best quality, universal, and since I stay in Canada, I pick from China, which today's date is what, the 4th. I'm gonna get it like the 14th, so between 6 to 9 days. I got mine in 9 days over here. And AirPod 3 top quality, 3126. So basically the more you add, the cheaper it kind of gets. So this is what I did. I got 3 of the AirPod 3 top quality. So I get 6% off on cash on checkout. And I got the best quality as well, and I added that to cart. Then if you go down up to my cart, so with that being said, I get it all for $194.64. I think that's all that is added. Anything else? Yeah. So yes, that's how much I got everything for. And you can also order AirPod Maxes as well from them in white or in black. We could just run it back to the site. So you can also get AirPod Max as well, $179, or you can get an AirPod Max in white, which is the same price. So yeah, and you will get it in like 6 to 9 business days. So where I would post it is Facebook. So this is how my listings are on Facebook. Selling as brand new AirPod Pro to 2nd generation, still in box, cash preferred, free shipping available, returns are possible. DM me for any questions. Pickup available in downtown Toronto. And I took nice pictures, quality pictures to show the outside, inside, and then the serial number as well. So that's how I pretty much go about it. And I have the same thing as well for the 3s. Listing, same thing, pictures, so that it connects, and then there you go. So that's how I list them. You can also put them on eBay as well. So I'm going to show you guys my eBay listing. I just posted it up today. Yeah, so these are my 2 active listings on eBay. So I just used generic pictures that I took from another buyer, and I put the Pro 2 for $150 and the 3 for $130. The Pro 2 gets taken down if there is an Apple in the link, but the Pro 2, the Pro 3 stays up basically. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to show on how to make your first 10K, 1K, $500. So with all that being said, I hope you guys did like and enjoy the videos, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace. There is MagSafe on this one. Hold on. It's not strong. Well, I do believe the wireless charging works though. Doesn't come with MagSafe. Okay. So the Pro 2s don't come with MagSafe. Okay. Yeah, the 3s have MagSafe. Sure. Yeah. But it's not just sticking for some reason, because these are my real 3s. They stick. The fake ones, they don't really stick. They kind of slide down. So it kind of works, but not fully. That's what I expect it to work like.